Nakaa mzungu nini? Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Purike and I am so excited finally for this video. I am going to review this ring light. To be honest, I have opened or unboxed. Is it unboxed? Yes, I've opened it already, so it's not gonna be like a surprise for me. But yeah, it was ordered from Gigi, and it's 18 inches or 46 centimeter. So you're going to see the difference with light, with ring light and without ring light. Okay, forgive my manners. If you're new here, please karibu sana, subscribe if you're a returning subscriber. Thank you so much. And guys, I haven't told you we are at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing and supporting me. I really appreciate. I really do appreciate. So subscribe, and so let's go straight to the video. Guys, the ring light came with his box and the stand. This is like tripod stand. So let's see how. I just wanted to show you how it came with. It's not like I had not unboxed. Yeah, this is it now. This is a masterpiece. I know probably you're wondering what this for. When you do not have enough light, natural light. I am using, like right now, natural light. When the natural light is not giving, this one will do your video magic. So you need, as a creator, you need, as a content creator, you need good lighting. So we are going to see how it works. This is the real deal. And we have like some things inside them, but first of all, let us mount, like remove this one, the stand. The tripod stood. You guys, you cannot even understand. So this is how it comes. Like you can like shoot. What is it called? Like you can adjust. You can adjust it like this. If you want it to be more taller than this, there are these knobs and these ones and this one here. Yeah. So to adjust it, you just like, whether you like understand this one, you remove the knob, you untie and tie it, or whatever you want to call it. Let us see how it works. Oh yeah, here it is. Stand. So this is the charger. And the exciting thing about his string light is that it comes with a remote. It comes with a remote, you guys. It comes with a remote. Let us see how to do it together, because I also do not know in the ring light now. You want it like this. Kwani hata sijui. Oh, there is a knob here. So guys, there is this knob. Inaingiza hapa. I guess. Am I a technician? Am I a technician? So that when you mount it like that, unafunga na this knob. But yeah, so there is also this Hizi ni za kushikilia simu or your camera, but in this case we're going to use phone. Subscribe so that I can get monetized and watch videos. Ndio ni buy a good camera. Okay? So like this one, it's for like holding the camera or your phone. So what you do is, I don't know whether you can see guys, you just like put it like this, so that when you put this one, you're able to close with this one. Technician. So there is, I don't know whether they can come and say, there is like a kashimo here, kakuweka hapa hivi. And then magical thing about this ring light, these ones they came as like 3 of them. Kuna hii hapa na ingine hapo, but like right now I just need to use one, so I don't need the rest. You get it? So I think the part now that is remaining is to put it kwa nini? Kwa power. Okay? And then we can So guys, and then the ring light comes in like 3 different colors of light. You get, so you can always adjust mode. You see, you get it. You see the adjusting mode. And then you can always add the light, reduce to your liking. So guys, that is for this video. Thank you for staying tuned till the end. I just wanted to show you the difference between when you have the light and when you do not have the ring light. This is it when I don't have the light, guys. Then ta-da! And then let's see different kind of lightings. Kama mzungu nini, like eish. Then there is this clear white, so you can always choose your best light, I guess, color of the light. And also, yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Share, like, comment. Let me know what kind of video would you want to see from me. And yeah, share it to your grandparents, your parents, your sisters, your brothers, your cousins, whoever, even your neighbors. Yeah, and let us grow. Yeah, so that's it for the video. See you till the next video. Bye bye.